Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and today's episode I'm going to show you the ways to make an invoice in Shopify. In order to make an invoice in Shopify, you could follow these simple steps. So first thing first, what you want to do is going to log into your Shopify account. Now access your Shopify admin panel by login with your credential. After which you want to navigate. So from the Shopify dashboard, you want to go to orders. You want to go to the order section. You could find this in the left hand menu under the order tab. To create an invoice manually, click the create order button. Then in the create order page, you will need to add customer information. If the customer is an existing one, you could search for the name or an email to autofill the details. And if it is a new customer, you can enter the information manually. Likewise, after adding the customer details, scroll down to the order detail section. Here you could add a product or an item to invoice by searching for them in add product field. Into the product name or SKU section, the correct product and input the quantity. Repeat the steps for all of them or for all the items that you want. Then you could go ahead and set up price and taxes as well. Now go ahead and enter the shipping and fulfillment as well as email invoice to customer. Finally, you can choose to either save the order as a draft or complete order if you want to finalize. So this is the way to create an invoice on Shopify. With that being said, I've completed the steps. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.